Hey, this is Casey with Casey's Keto Life. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite quick and easy peasy lunches to make for breaking a fast. It is a Sunday. I just went fasted today till 2 just because I got busy. No other reason. I drank some bone broth, exercise, was working on my YouTube channel. And so I had a ripe avocado. Those avocados are, they all ripe at one time. Love them. They're so healthy for you and they just make your skin glow. So I went ahead and sliced it and scooped up the seed, and it's ready for my chicken salad. And then I sliced a nice little ripe tomato from my garden and topped it with Kalamata olives. See that? And some fresh basil, and also I have some chunks of feta cheese and extra virgin olive oil and fresh basil from my garden, and balsamic vinaigrette, and of course a little teeny bit of salt and pepper. On the side, yum yum, I've got some crunchy pork rinds. You don't want to eat a whole bag of these. You know, they can have a little bit of saturated fat, so we don't want to overdo them. But keto can be a little bit of a mushy diet, so this just adds a nice little crunch. These are organic. I get them at Walmart for Q, and they're chipotle. So yeah. Any hoot, I had a can of chicken salad. There's a link below where you can order that at Amazon. I just drained it, emptied it into my red bowls from Amazon. I love these things. And I just kind of broke it up a little bit with a fork. You could also use roasted chicken, which is super yum. And then I'm going to use the full fat mayonnaise, because remember, on keto, we're only eating 2 meals a day to burn weight, 2 meals and a snack to maintain, and you want to do full fat so that you feel very full into the next meal. So this is about 1/4 cup of full fat mayonnaise. I'm going to add it to the chicken salad, to the chicken. And then I have 3 dill pickles. Want to make sure that you do not use gherkins because those have sugar and have carbs, but dill pickles actually have no calories and no carbs. So they are perfect. Do not use relish. You may also use olives. Olives are another perfect thing to use. You could use sun-dried tomatoes, or you could use olives. I have some fresh herbs from my garden. This is tarragon and thyme, a little bit of oregano. But if you don't have any fresh herbs, you may also use 1 teaspoon of dried French tarragon, just a nice sweet, savory, yum yum taste. Just go ahead and empty those in there. And then just go ahead and salt and pepper to taste. Just a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt, not too much. And we're just gonna go ahead and mix up that chicken salad. And then we're going to scoop it into the avocado. So you could also serve this on keto bread, and you could also serve it on keto crackers, which I will have a recipe, another YouTube video on the keto crackers coming up here really soon. So make sure that you subscribe. Take a spoon and then just scoop it into the avocado. And we're making a mess today. And that is all. Of course, you're gonna have a lot left over, so just go ahead and store that in the fridge. And like I said, there's lots of different ways you could eat that. I just like to just take a spoon and eat it, especially when I'm hungry breaking a fast.